Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in the forums for web browsers on your XIAOMI 12S Ultra. So in the first, at the start, Google Chrome, click here on the three-dot icon and choose an Incognito tab. That's it. In the Opera, click on the taskbar icon, switch to the in private, and tap. That's it. In the Firefox, on this welcoming screen, just click here, but if you have any tab opened before, click on the tab icon, switch to Zora, and click on the plus. And the last one, Adobe Edge, click on the taskbar icon, switch to in private, and add a tab. And now your history, completed forms, cookies files, even the words from the keyboard will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.